Now this here, my friends, is the 4th generation Mini Cooper S. Looks pretty, doesn't it? But it's not just that, it is also a proper hot hatch producing 204 horsepower and 300 Newton meters of torque. But still, people keep asking me, Amber, why would anyone go for something so premium and so impractical at the same time? And in this video, we will answer that exact question.
Call a doctor ASAP, call him pronto on the spot. Cause this run boy, he be killing everybody from the top to the bottom. He don't care about anything, he bout the guap. He really got him by the neck, don't make him mad. Just call a doctor, a proper doctor ASAP, call him pronto.
Well, you go for something like a Mini Cooper S because you have good taste and deep pockets. The Cooper S has both and then some because of the Mini brand's legacy, which is now made more potent by BMW engineering for the past 2 decades. Now, it does not take a rocket scientist to understand the sheer amount of fun that can be had behind the wheel of the Cooper S that weighs just 1335 kilograms and produces 300 Newton meters of torque, and the 3-door hatch delivers on that front. What's left is to wait for nightfall so that the busy city streets decongest and you get to put all the promise of the Cooper S onto the asphalt. The Mini's turbocharger spools up quickly, the sports steering wheel feels chunky, and the car is even sharper in its go-kart mode. It begs you to go faster than you would want and does not complain if you give it too much, thanks to its suite of electronic safety systems on board. Speeds of over 120 km per hour also feel part of the manifesto, and there is nothing in the way it drives that would make one feel mini.
I dream of having a castle, I dream of having a pool, I dream of having a bottle, so I fill the pool with booze. We swimming in like
The stiff suspension keeps reminding you that the hatchback is built for speed and spirited driving, and it is not trying to pretend to fit many different shoes all at once. It is built to give a thrilling driving experience, and that is exactly what everything does without any excuses. Apart from the augmented exhaust note that fills the cabin but does elevate the driving experience a bit as well.
to feel that buzz, to feel that heat. No, I don't want a regular.
But all that performance isn't the only thing that makes this 4th gen Cooper S so special, because this is also the last Cooper S to be gasoline powered. As we all know, the mothership has decided to go all electric by 2030. The only thing about the Cooper S that may irk you a bit is the sheer amount of attention it grabs. Be it parked on the street or rolling alongside a luxury SUV, the Cooper S stands in its own queue without any comparisons. The 17-inch alloy wheels, blacked out accents, low slung roofline, and customizable DRL and tail lamp configurations give it enough character to make a statement no matter what the setting is. The driver feels cocooned and confident inside the cabin. The new 9.8-inch OLED screen is an entertaining experience in itself, and the Harman Kardon sound system just elevates the entire driving experience up a couple good notches. The pop-out heads-up display is another highlight of the Cooper S's cockpit and offers relevant information in a very minimalistic user interface. If you are into fancy interior lighting, then the Mini has some goodies there for you as well. The door, the footwell, and other spots get colored illumination, but the most interesting bit is the light pattern that falls on the dashboard via a projector-style unit that sits behind the screen. Then of course you also have the panoramic glass roof. It is safe to say that while Mini carries a lot of legacy on its shoulders, the Cooper S experience is relevant for drivers of today and feels elegantly futuristic in bits and pieces. When compared to other proper, high-end hot hatchbacks available in the country, the Cooper S does even seem like a steal deal at Rs 44.9 lakh ex-showroom. However, its value proposition is something that we will talk about in our daytime review, so stay tuned for that.
I'ma bust it on my head. I'ma have to bust a clip. I'ma bust it on my head. I'ma have to bust a clip.
And for those reasons, my friend, I believe that if you are someone who is looking for a lot of fun and do not mind a premium price tag, then a Cooper S definitely deserves a place in your garage. And garage being the key word here, because obviously you cannot just have this in your garage. You will need a couple other cars as well to get other things done too. Let us know what you thought about this special feature video from Fast Forward in the comment section below. Like always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel as well for more such content.
Midnight cruising, yeah. Turn the page. Let's write a brand new chapter. It's unwritten in the stars, stars, stars. It's time to make the story